Hi, I'm Taylor, a hearing instrument specialist at Hearing Solutions. Hearing aids are essential tools that help you stay connected with family, friends, and the world around you. But like all technology, hearing aids don't last forever. Your hearing changes, and the world of hearing technology is constantly evolving. As your hearing needs shift, upgrading your hearing aids may become essential to maintaining your clarity, comfort, and overall quality of life. Today, I want to talk to you about when it might be time to upgrade, why it's important, and how the latest technology can help you hear more clearly and stay connected in everyday life. Understanding how hearing aids work makes it easier to see why their performance can change over time and why upgrading can be so important. At their core, hearing aids amplify the sounds you need to hear while reducing the background noise. Most have four main components: the microphone that picks up sounds, a processor that enhances key frequencies and reduces unwanted noise, a speaker that delivers sound into your ear, and a battery that powers your device. A lot of hearing aids come with features like Bluetooth, automatic adjustments, and different listening programs for different environments. Now that we understand the key components of hearing aids, it helps us understand that even the best devices are subject to wear and tear over time. A few key factors can reduce their effectiveness. Batteries and processors can gradually lose efficiency, which in turn can reduce amplification and sound clarity. Things like moisture, earwax, dust, and sweat can affect the microphone and speakers and alter their performance. Older devices may not support the latest sound processing systems or connectivity features. Tiny cracks, loose parts, or aging plastic can affect the device's comfort and reliability. Because hearing aids combine mechanical and digital components, even small issues can impact their performance. Like all technology, their effectiveness decreases over time. Routine maintenance like cleaning, battery replacement, and minor repairs can extend the lifespan of your hearing aids. But there comes a point when maintenance alone isn't enough, and upgrading may be the best option. It might be time to consider an upgrade if you start to notice some of these signs. If you are noticing inconsistent performance or have reoccurring repairs. Even well-maintained devices might start to struggle to provide a clear, natural sound. If your device is older, newer features like Bluetooth, directional microphones that improve sound quality, or advanced noise reduction may not be supported. Even with your hearing aids, your hearing can change gradually over time. You might notice that your devices aren't performing like they used to. Some key signs it might be time to upgrade could include noticing that conversations are becoming harder to follow, even with your hearing aids. You're having difficulty hearing high-pitched sounds like alarms, birds, or children's voices. You might notice an increase in listening fatigue or may feel more tired after being in noisier environments. This is why we like to talk about the importance of regular servicing and hearing assessments. Your clinician is able to track any changes and make sure your hearing aids are still meeting your needs. Upgrading to the latest hearing aid technology isn't just about having new devices. Modern technology can make a meaningful difference in your everyday listening experience. Newer devices offer features designed to make hearing easier, more natural, and less tiring. They can provide clearer sound. They often have more advanced processors that help separate speech from background noise, which helps you focus on conversations and reduces listening fatigue. Connectivity options like Bluetooth allows you to stream audio directly from your phone, TV, or other smart devices for clearer calls, shows, and music. They may also have automatic adjustments, meaning they will automatically adjust to their settings to adapt to different listening environments. For example, It may enhance the volume of speech when you're in a noisier setting like a restaurant, but then if you move to a quieter situation like an office, the volume is decreased. Rechargeable options have also become very popular, as they provide all-day power on a single charge, meaning you don't have to worry about replacing any batteries. Lastly, custom programs built into different models allows you to adjust your own settings between meetings, concerts, or outdoor activities, helping you to get the best sound in any situation. Upgrading at the right time ensures your hearing aids keep up with your changing hearing needs, but also improves your clarity in more challenging environments and reduces your mental effort so that you can stay fully connected. Okay, so we've talked about why upgrading your hearing aids is important and what the latest technology can do. But how do you apply this when it comes to getting a new device? I want to break this down into a few practical steps. You should always start with getting a hearing test. Starting with a professional assessment ensures your prescription is up to date. Accurate testing also allows us to make sure we can optimize any new devices for your current hearing needs. Consider your daily activities. Think about work, your social life, hobbies, and how often you use other devices like phones or TVs. Your lifestyle will help determine which features matters the most when looking at different models and what they offer. Prioritize the features you want. As we mentioned, you want to factor in your lifestyle and daily activities to help with this. You can decide what's important for you, whether it's rechargeable batteries, Bluetooth streaming, noise reduction, or automatic adjustments. This can help us select models that fit the profile of what you're looking for. Consult your clinician. Your clinician will be able to recommend devices that match your hearing loss, preferences, and budget, and help set up programs tailored to you. Take advantage of trial periods. Many providers let you try hearing aids in real-life situations before committing. You can start with an in-clinic demonstration to get a feel for how they sound and fit, then take the devices home for a trial period in your everyday environments, like at work, home, or in social settings. These steps help to ensure the hearing aids are comfortable, provide clear sound, and meet your lifestyle needs before making a final decision. Whether your devices are showing signs of wear, your hearing has changed, or you want the benefits of modern technology, upgrading your hearing aids at the right time can make a meaningful difference. Regular check-ins, proper care, and staying informed about new technology help you get the most from your hearing aids. Remember, we are always here to help. If you think it might be time to upgrade, our team can assess your hearing, review the latest technology, and recommend the solutions that fit your needs. Give us a call or visit our website to book your appointment at a clinic near you.